Leads. Who needs more leads in their business? Who doesn't need more leads in their business, right? Okay, I'm here to tell you about a system called Lead Gen Secrets. And I promise you're gonna love it, okay? What if I told you you could have 1 to 200 leads for $1 a day? $1 a day. $30 a month could lead to 6,000 leads a month for $30. Exactly. I'm going to give you a review and tell you what I think about it. You let me know what you think. Let's get on my computer and let's see what this thing's all about. Alright guys, I'm at my computer and you are looking at my Lead Gen Secret. It's really cool. I'm going to give you a complete review on what I think about the system. My name is Shelly. Do me a favor, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up to get anything out of it. And if you're into affiliate marketing, online marketing, make money online, motivation, subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to see more content on these subjects, ring the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, let's get started. I have not been doing this that long. I hate to say it, but it's been kind of like my toy because it's fun. But the more that I played with it, I had to tell you about it. So recently, that's all I've been doing. I haven't really been pushing it, but I've been telling everybody. I'm like, oh my gosh, this thing is really kind of cool. You know, you should check it out. So I am making a video and letting you know about it. Okay. Again, haven't really been taking it seriously, and I haven't been doing it very long, but this is what I'm getting. These are my results from playing with it. Some emails are my own, some emails are theirs. Most of the emails are theirs, probably. But I have used a couple of my own, which stay to the end of the video, and I will tell you some bonuses I'm going to give you that I think you're going to like. Okay. A lot of people are probably thinking and wondering, oh my gosh, well, if something is this cool, what is the price? Okay. You get 100 leads a day for basically $1. You can't beat that. The price is so amazingly cheap. It's pathetic. It's $30 a month, and then if you get someone to sign up underneath you, then you get $200. You get 200 leads a day. So let's do the math. I wrote it down. 6,000. You can have 6,000 leads a month. Okay? That would be 70,000 leads a year. Okay? So for $30, that would be $300 for a year. For 70,000 leads, it's kind of a no-brainer, right? Yeah, I'll leave my link in the description down below. And it's not a gimmick. It's not fake, or is it legit? Yeah, I've had the people email me directly, and I'll put on some of them to my Facebook. So I've had a couple people reach out to me on Facebook. So they're real people. And these numbers, come on. And especially since I've just kind of been playing with it, I know I can do a lot better. So that's pretty good, guys. $30 a month, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Yeah, I would say so. Excuse me. Okay. They also give you, excuse me,
people are getting insane results using
insane results. Okay. This is some swipes that you get with it, and you simply copy and paste, and it comes with its own mailing system. You select all, your subject, you take this out, paste it in. I click on usually perfect timing, and you send it. Pretty simple, right? They only let you send every 23 hours, so you're not bombarding people. They don't want you to spam everybody, which kind of makes some sense. The master email swipes is like an upgrade. I haven't done it yet, but I know several people that has, that said that they're really good and they've seen some good results from it. You can also, they give you a list of all of the, see, I told you I haven't been doing it that long, but they give you a list of all of your leads. You can import them or put them in your autoresponder. I don't recommend it, but you can. You really don't need to, because you could just use the system, which is what I do and most everybody else does as well. You can do, this is a good thing to use for JVZOO, Warrior Plus. I always forget Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus, Clickbank, a lot of affiliate offers. You can send your own offers to this. A lot of people do. I know they'll send stuff for the My Legion Secrets, because I mean, you can make decent with this too.
people are getting insane results.
We heard you the first time. Okay. You get $5 for each referral. And this is kind of cool, because if I take Joe Harry and he signs up under me, I get $5. And then he gets Joe Smith, I get $4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and so on. This part's cool, and I didn't know it till the person that I signed up underneath, I told him like the first week I had already gotten, I think it was 3 people, and he said 2 more people, then you get $100. Where is it? Here it is. You get $100. And I was like, really? Okay, I could do that, because I haven't really been pushing it or sending any offers out, but just been really, kind of telling people, because I'm like, hey, this is kind of cool. This is, it's exciting. I want to tell everybody about it. So I'm telling you. And so I was like, okay, it'll be a no-brainer. But I had to take my cat to the vet, and she was really sick and stuff. So I didn't end up getting my $100. But that's pretty cool. So I thought that was really neat. It's a really simple system. Your commissions, your downline. See, I have 3 people, and I haven't even been doing it that long. And I haven't been trying. But I'm going to try. I'm going to do better. It's because I like it. I know it sounds crazy, but it's fun. And then I like the fact that $30, you can't beat that. And when I was first told about it, you know, I was like, I already pay out so much stuff as it is, $30. And then once I really understood what it was, what I'm telling you, I was like, where is the link? So my link is going to be down below. It's a given, right? Okay, and then there is bonuses, okay? If you use my link, I am going to give you a bunch of email swipes that you can use, and you're going to love them. 2, access to their Facebook group. You're going to love that too, and I'm going to tell you some little secrets. And along with that, I'm going to hold your hand and tell you some little tips, insights, answer any questions that you need. I could even get in and show you some stuff. So that way, if you do have any questions, you'll have them answered and you'll have this thing down. Sound good? Yeah, I thought so too. So anyways, in a nutshell, that's my lead gen secret, and I'm honestly, like McDonald's would say, I'm loving it. It's pretty cool. I like it. So do me a favor, if you got anything out of this video or you like any of the content, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up, because the algorithm definitely likes it. And subscribe to my channel if you like any of the content that I produce on here. If you have any questions, and I promise you, there's no stupid question, just put down below and I will get back with you ASAP. I am Shelly, and until my next video.